string is 24. So 1/4. 1, 2, 3. This totally wouldn't be math.
Okay, thank you so much. Awesome, great. Bye-bye. Hello everybody, so today we're gonna do a demo video. Welcome everybody, my name is Blue Bolden. I'm the National Sales Rep for Superior Product, and today we're gonna do a demo video on Dirt Buster and Cherry Foam. Let's see which one foams the best. Showtime. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check it out, guys. So a side note, we just pulled this truck in from out of the rain. It's raining like cats and dogs, and I just want to show you how awesome our nano ceramic coating worked that we put on this truck 3 years ago. Check out how well it beads. You can pick up our nano ceramic coating at O'Reilly Auto Parts in our website, www.superiorproducts.com. Just to say a few things here, we used an electric power washer at a 2000 PSI. And also the question of the day is, does Dirt Buster foam up? Will Cherry Foam foam up? You tell us, be the judge for yourself, leave a comment, let us know, and also what video would you like for us to do next? Thank you for tuning in, Superior Products.